name is Kazisat Iqbal from Group 6, and I'd like to show off our Android app. As we can see here, this app allows you to first select a number of emergency contacts. So in this list I can pick from my actual contacts list. I've chosen my own number to send the notification to. We can see that it can gather the location and accelerometer data from the phone. And if I press the send emergency notification button, it'll take some time, but it will send the emergency notification. For demonstration purposes, it's shown here, but in actuality this would be a push notification. And we can click on the Google Maps link to be sent to the actual location that we're at. This is road number 10, this is where my house is, this is accurate. And we can see like here, this is the server that I set up. The notification did actually send through this server at 20:44:42. That's 44 minutes 42 seconds, and that was the time that it was sent up. And if I turn on the auto send button, the auto send toggle, then if I do a jerking motion like this, after a little while, it will automatically send here. It sent them again, sent them up to number 5, and we can see that more notifications were automatically sent after the jerking on the server. That's all. Thank you.